Three giants, one battlefield. The brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, the still powerful iPhone 16 Pro Max, and Samsung's ultimate flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But here's the question, which one is truly worth your money in 2025? Stick around, because the results might shock you. In this video, we'll compare everything that matters: design, cameras, battery life, performance, and AI features. And by the end, you'll know which phone takes the crown this year. Let's get started. The iPhone 17 Pro Max takes Apple's design to a whole new level. It's slimmer, lighter, and now rocking aerospace-grade titanium with a frosted matte finish. The 16 Pro Max still feels premium, but side by side, it looks bulkier. And then there's the S25 Ultra, Samsung's sharp edges and massive display screen power. But which one looks better in your hand? That's up for debate. Drop your vote below. Team iPhone or Team Samsung? All three phones boast jaw-dropping screens. But the Galaxy S25 Ultra pushes brightness to record levels perfect for outdoor use. Apple's 17 Pro Max steps up with an even smaller dynamic island and a buttery smooth ProMotion display. The 16 Pro Max, still gorgeous, but slightly behind. Imagine scrolling through socials on these. Which one would you pick? This is where things get wild. The iPhone 17 Pro Max introduces a 4.8MP periscope zoom lens with crystal clear shots even from far away. The 16 Pro Max still delivers, but lacks that insane zoom. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, known for pushing zoom to the extreme, it now goes even further with AI-enhanced detail. Side by side, these photos are jaw-dropping. But which one wins your heart, Apple's natural tones or Samsung's punchy colors? The iPhone 17 Pro Max debuts Apple's A19 Bionic chip, faster, cooler, and built for AI tasks. The 16 Pro Max with the A18 is no slouch, but it can't quite match the speed. Samsung's S25 Ultra flexes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, designed to handle multitasking like a beast. Gaming, editing, streaming, all three dominate, but only one will stay smooth years down the line. Battery life is where most users care the most. The 17 Pro Max brings more efficiency, lasting longer than the 16 Pro Max, even with its brighter display. The S25 Ultra holds its own with a massive battery and faster charging speeds. If you hate waiting around for a full charge, Samsung takes the lead. But if you want all-day reliability, Apple's newest iPhone just might surprise you. Here's the futuristic part. Apple leans heavily on iOS 19's AI-powered assistant, smarter photo editing, real-time call translation, and productivity tools that make life easier. The Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung doubles down with Galaxy AI, turning your phone into a creative powerhouse. Want auto-generated video edits or smart multitasking? Samsung's got it. But which system feels more natural to use? That's where opinions split. One thing you can't ignore is the ecosystem. If you're already invested in Apple's world, AirPods, Macs, iPads, the iPhone 17 or 16 Pro Max will fit seamlessly. But Samsung's Galaxy ecosystem with watches, tablets, and smart home devices is stronger than ever. It really comes down to where you already live. Now, the big question: price. The iPhone 17 Pro Max launches at a premium. As expected, the 16 Pro Max, now cheaper, becomes the budget-friendly powerhouse. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is right in between, giving you insane features at a price that's competitive. But is paying top dollar really worth it? So, which one should you buy? If you want cutting-edge Apple design and future-proof performance, go for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you want flagship features at a lower price, the 16 Pro Max still makes sense. But if you crave the ultimate all-in-one powerhouse with insane cameras and battery life, the Galaxy S25 Ultra won't disappoint. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. Which phone would you choose? Comment below and let the battle begin. And don't forget, more incredible future tech is waiting at FutureTech Zone. Hit subscribe, drop a like, and share this video with a friend who's stuck choosing their next upgrade. See you in the next one.